find out. You will need one balloon.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be making balloon loudspeakers. Is that even possible?
Today we're going to find out.
So for this you will need a balloon. Ours isn't blown yet, so we have to get it blowing. So to make these balloon loudspeakers, you will need one balloon and a partner.
So to start the experiment, I'm going to have to put this balloon close to my ear and have my brother say something in a very light voice. And it's gonna come out very loud to me. I heard that very loud.
Well, why did the sound turn out so loud to you?
Well, let's see. This experiment was an example of amplification of sound.
What is that?
Amplification of sound is when the denser the air, the louder the sound carried by it will be. Bye guys! We hope you enjoyed this video.
Please like and subscribe.
Make sure to check out some of our other videos. See you next time and bye!